All right. Day 2 of the blizzard. 2016.
Some people think my material is funny. Nice.
Oh. And it looks like we need to dig. We need to dig that out down there. I brought a shovel. We got tunnels. Oh, nice, Noah.
Almost had it, buddy.
I'm gonna do the belly flop.
You're gonna do the belly flop. What's the belly flop? You gonna go down on your stomach? Just in your coat? Woohoo! There she goes. Dun 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 dun.
Forgetting something?
Did the belly flop. Did you see that? Guys, did you see that?
I saw it.
That was the belly flop. Oh! Rocking it out!
Oh my goodness, this is so crazy. Where's your hat? You got a hat? You crazy?
Stay with your eyes open. So we came inside because I tripped and it was getting really cold and deep.
It was
I went in after I tried to hit the block of ice down.
Oh yeah, we have a bunch of snow coming off the roof. So we decided to have some tiny hot chocolates.
Merry Christmas! Cheers to snow.
Cold weather.
We got some whipped cream on these. So we got
Whipped cream.
so whenever this happens and the blizzard happens, we get a whole bunch of whipped cream in our mouth. It's so delicious.
It's part of.
All right, we're gonna get back out there and sled, right?
No, school tomorrow! Oh yeah!
Go for it.
Should I lay down?
Whatever you want to do, baby girl. Pack it down. Pack it down. All right, here she goes. How far? How far? How far? Not bad.
Ready?
All right.
I must do them one more time. Go!
That's it?
Yeah.
All right, we're going in.
That's it for day 2.
All right, here comes Reese with her sled.
I'm gonna make a snowman tomorrow. Endless snow.
Tomorrow we're gonna make a snowman. Are we sure we don't want to build a snowman tonight? Out front? You don't want to build a snowman?
Build a cave here.
Are we building a cave out front?
Here, right there. I made one little part of it.
A cave, huh?
Another. Kick line. I'm kick line. I am putting it on my nose.
Yeah.
I am dying to get to the bathroom. It's super cold. And I'm ready. Hey, wait, that makes sense. And I'm definitely in the mood for food.
In the mood for food.
I'm going in because I'm dying.
Dying.
Like she said.
All right, so day 2 of the blizzard.
Is ending.
We got
The snow.
a lot of snow.
Here we go.
A lot.
This is what I do. I put my sled back. And here's my kingdom.
You have a kingdom?
Mine. Let me just go put my sled back. Wait!
That's your kingdom?
Yes.
Is that your chair?
Oh. Hey, wait, this isn't your kingdom. Attack!
Oh, look at that sky. Wow, that is gorgeous. You see that?
It's beautiful.
So pretty.
It's checkers. The clouds are playing checkers. What are they're having fun? Whoa, look how high it is where the tree is.
Very high up there. You
No,
gonna
look
make a
at the tree.
snowman? Tiny snowman. Baby snowman.
Platform of my baby.
Platform of the baby snowman.
Now the head. Now the belly.
You might want to make us a larger base. Just a little bit.
Now I have to try to get up this sled. Whoa!
What?
Look at that guy's house. See all the snow falling off it?
Oh, yeah. A lot of people have snow falling off.
Watch this. Should I belly flop? No.
I don't think so.
I'm gonna butt kick. Yeah. Just got all up my back.
Butt kick.
Oh,
It's Reese's new move
boom.
because it hurts your butt.
Yeah. Watch.
Okay.
And learn how you do this. It's a pretty steep slide. Look at this. Look at this camera. I did not mean to do the karate chop. I meant to do the suggestus. Hallelujah! I meant to do the suggestus, not the karate kick. Piece of joy. I'm angry at you, brick wall. Yeah, that's not the right way. I'm angry at you again. Yeah. More snow updates. Stay tuned to see day 3 of the blizzard.
Yeah.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
Stay tuned till tomorrow.
Look at this, my finger. listen.
We're covered in snow.
No, seriously, listen.
They're frozen. Pinky fingers frozen. So we're going inside.
Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what you did this snow day. If you have. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Don't forget to subscribe. See ya, see ya, see ya, see ya.